Hi there, my name is Tej and welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the Binance Liquidity pool and how it works. This video is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. So do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrencies out there. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below, so feel free to check them out. Don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe to watch more of such cryptocurrency videos. So let's get into it. So basically with Binance, you can be a liquidity provider by staking your assets for a certain pair or a pool and earn transaction fees and flexible interest. They say that this product or service is high risk and may even result in loss if the price of currency fluctuated really badly. The Binance Liquidity pool is developed based on AMM or automatic market maker principle, and it is basically a system that provides liquidity to the exchange it operates in through automated trading. And liquidity is what makes the assets readily available. And there are two types of trading in cryptocurrency: the one where it is managed by a company and the one where no one owns, or basically decentralized system. And Binance Liquidity pool makes the trade go quickly because there are liquidity providers that staked their assets. Therefore, the trades no longer need waiting because the funds are on the pool already and are basically pre-funded by the liquidity providers. So let's say you did your research and you're like, you know what, I would like to become a liquidity provider. How do you do that? So the first step is to create an account with Binance. So you need to put your email address, your password, and the referral link that we have mentioned in the description box below, which is going to help you make some free money. So please do that as well. And then sign up for an account, do your verification and all of that, and then add money into your account because you must have a balance. And I suggest that you kind of start with BUSD. So BUSD is a Binance stable coin, which somewhat is similar to USD. And if you have a balance already, you can go to Binance Liquid Swap section. So let me show you how to get there. I logged into my dummy account, and let's say this is what your dashboard is going to look like. So you're going to go under Finance, and then you're going to click Liquid Swap. And then over here, you're going to see all the combinations of cryptocurrencies in the pool that you can either liquidate or swap it against. You can also see the total yield. Yield basically means the return you're going to get. And there's also a breakdown of the fees and the BNB rewards that you're going to earn out of it. And then the reward coins are mentioned over here. And when you click all pools, you can see that there are two ways to kind of go about it. So there's stable pool and innovation pool. With stable, it only means that it provides a more stable income than innovative pools. However, the innovative pools are usually getting higher returns because higher returns are usually associated with higher risk, right? So let's say, for example, you decided to go with BNB or BUSD pair, and then so what you're going to do is you're going to go and click swap. So next over here, when you click swap, you're going to enter the amount of BUSD you're going to sell and swap it against BNB, meaning the number of tokens of BNB you're going to buy. And once you do that, you're going to see the price, the fees they charge and all of that, and just click swap. I don't really have a balance in my account because this is just for demonstration purpose only, but that's how you would usually go about it. And then you can just click liquidity over here and you can select the pool of your choice. So we are doing BNB BUSD. You're going to enter the amount and eventually you're going to see the current pool, the total rate of return. You have to accept the terms and conditions, and once you do that, you can click add liquidity, and you can again do the same to redeem it. And also one more thing that I want you to check out is the Trezor Wallet, which is a hardware wallet that you can use to store all your cryptocurrencies out there. It's basically a safe way to ensure that you only have the access to the keys. So please check this out in the description box below. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial and a little educational video about the Binance Liquidity swap. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.